Hey everyone, my name is Ray and I am currently a freshman at Cornell University. Today I want to share with you guys some genuine tips on how I and many other students were able to get a 1500 plus on our SAT. I improved by more than 200 points in just a few months, and it goes to show that getting your dream score is definitely achievable. If you're looking for a video that shares realistic tips that anyone can use to improve on, this is the video for you. I can promise you, if you watch the whole video, you will find several helpful tips that will improve your score and improve your chances at a top university. One important tip before I start. The biggest reason why a lot of students are unable to improve their SAT score is because they solely do the problems and do not actively pinpoint where they make mistakes and have errors. This results in someone constantly getting the same type of question wrong. My study strategy, in a nutshell, involves jotting down the questions you get wrong and figuring out why you got them wrong and what you can do to improve them. Then, you can use some of the resources that I mentioned to practice those problems to make sure you don't get them wrong on the exam.
Go on Google and search up Khan Academy. Make sure you log in, and once there, press on SAT under Courses. Then go to Official SAT Practices and press Practice. Once there, you should see a page where you can find current skill levels. Under that, there is Math and Reading and Writing. This is where you will find your practice problems. So we can press Math for this one, and this shows all the math practice that can be on the exam. You can see we have specific sections like Heart of Algebra, Passport to Advanced Mathematics, Problem Solving and Data Analysis, as well as additional topics in mathematics. Under each section, you can find specific problems. To the right of them, there's a small chart that looks a bit like a speedometer on a car. This measures the proficiency of each problem. If 4 bars are filled, that's great. It means you got most of the questions right, and most likely don't need to practice that again. However, if there are 1, 2, or 3 bars, likely you're going to have to go over the concept again or do more practice problems. This is really helpful because it helps you pinpoint where you need the most practice and can prioritize how you're studying. Pro tip: one of the best ways to figure out where you need the most practice in is to do one of the free 8 Khan Academy practice exams and then seeing which bars are incomplete. Once you find out where you make the most mistakes, I recommend using a book like Barron's SAT Math to practice those concepts and get different examples. The same strategy applies for reading and writing. Look for the bars that aren't filled all the way up and use workbooks, online tools to find ways to solve them.
So that wraps up my tips on how to get a 1500 plus on the SAT exam. Let me know if you have any questions or whether this video was helpful. If you watched the end, thank you. I appreciate every viewer who watches my content, and it motivates me to make more videos that are educational and helpful. In the links below, I've provided websites and also extra practice problems from recent SAT exams. Thanks again for watching, and best of luck on the SAT. Ray, and I'm out.